This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. What's up, friends? I am back. And why, friends? Because Bitcoin is pumping. Oh gosh, I feel the pump in my veins right now. Holy sheesh, guys. I don't know what is going on. I don't know who's doing what, but things are happening. Now, we're going to break it down for you guys. Sorry, trying to fix my ticker right there. Didn't realize that she was all messed up. All right, so if you guys are here, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to this channel, share this stream out with friends because I'm so excited about Bitcoin literally hitting 44K. We're at 43.3 right now. And I told you guys, if Bitcoin pumped, I would be back. And so I am. And also looks like Litecoin's making a move too. Ethereum is making a little move. So let's look at the market. Let's look at everything that's going on. Again, smash these likes. Give me love. We love love in this world. Okay, so let's get after it. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just so happy. I'm happy to be in Bitcoin. I'm happy to be in crypto. This is just like a beautiful time to be alive. All right. So you see the market recap. Obviously, we are moving. Moving. So we got Gala that's pumping. Uncle Jimmy is going to love that. ORDI's moving. Pepe up 18% now. Qcoin is moving. We got some Flow blockchains out here. Stacks up 9.8% for the day. The past hour, we have some people making moves, some others having some drawdowns, but that's normal. So let's break down what's going on with Bitcoin. Of course, this is the minute chart, not the... Yes, this is the right one. Okay, cool. So we got the minute chart right now. And before we were talking about on stream earlier that we wanted to get above yesterday's high of like 42.3, right? So we were comparing, we were like, all right, we started to get above it, we started testing it, but we rejected it. We were fiddling with our 41.950, guys. The 41.950 again, you see what happens. Absolutely wild. We tested it again, rejected, came back up and went through it. And then once we went through it, it was rippeth. Pants. That is absolutely wild. I am so happy. I am ecstatic. So let's take a look at what happens. We see here on Market Cipher, trying to make this a little bit more easy to look at. Money flow consistently pretty much in the green with a few exceptions here. And we see the VWAP pumping, green dot marked on Market Cipher. We saw a green dot here too. The red did take over. That was our little retrace here where the red, we retraced just a few $100s. We hit 43.7, had a high of 44, came back down when the red dot was printed over here at 43.2. Seems like maybe this could be our new support at 43.2. And making our way downtown, guys. Green dot is printed, so hopefully that could bring us higher, bring the momentum back over this zero line. The VWAP is moving with confidence. The money flow, she's moving with confidence. And the RSI is moving pretty much in neutral territory, but moving up too. So, guys, who is ready? Who's enjoying this right now as much as me? DOGE X money transfer license soon. Yes, they do have their money transfer licenses in a few states. I think they have like 11 approvals, 11 states, I believe. DOGE, if you want to correct me on any of that. But yeah, man, we are pumping, right? Dave Digital, Crypto Burger, Alexander G, it's Crypto Surfer. Chris Hanley said he's here for the hopium. Oh my gosh, 3 Diglets. There was a super chat before I went live from the 3 Diglets, and he said pamp it. Got to pamp it up. Oh, yeah. All right. So if you guys have chart requests, this is the perfect time to be looking at them because we are mooning. All right. So we do have Brian. We got Robert Curry. Nice to see everybody in the chat. We are at 43,350. Oh, 369. Ooh, very zesty, very zesty. We see the levels here in volume started to tick up, which is absolutely awesome. So we're going to keep an eye on Bitcoin. As for Litecoin, though, Litecoin. We were looking at $74 Litecoin. Looks like Litecoin wants to make her move. This is the minute chart. We're at $73.06, up 0.15%. let me get this all here. This is the daily chart. Yes, this is the daily chart, and we see $74. We want to hit that $74. Earlier today when we were on stream, we were looking at our 71. We were talking about staying above $69 because that was heavy resistance here. We want to make our way to $74 Litecoin, and that is a huge resistance. So if Bitcoin could keep running, then maybe Litecoin can follow suit as well. See here that we got that money flow coming through. Oh, beautiful momentum. Green dot playing out. We have our beautiful RSI starting to tick up. That's gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at the 4 hour. I like looking at the 4 hour. 4 hour on Litecoin looks very, very zesty. There was something someone said earlier about a chart. I can't remember what it was. There was a cup and handle. I actually think Bruce said it. Savage Trades. I don't know if he's in the chat yet, if he came in the new stream. But if he's here, then he's got to let us know where he saw that. What is this? Qatar is buying $500 billion of Bitcoin, Bear Baker says. What? Hold on. Let me googly this. Let me see if this is factual. Let me see if this is factual. Ooh, 6 hours ago. Yeah, Qatar's rumor of $500 billion Bitcoin investment sparks a frenzy. So we see here the latest buzz. Qatar's sovereign wealth fund is eyeing a colossal $500 billion investment in Bitcoin. Speculation began when Max Kaiser tweeted about their potential to become a major force in the realm. So we'll see if they actually buy it, though. This is rumor. So again, like maybe this is a buy the rumor, sell the news event. No, I'm just kidding. But we don't know for sure. So that is some nice speculation right there. What's up, Kev? Nice to see you, Kev. Am I in heaven? Oh my gosh. Crypto Burger, Dave P, old school. You guys are awesome. What a great channel. So fun. Of course, this is the Zesty channel. Pubbo says, hodl everything, no selling. All right, if that's your plan. Me one, happy day to you. Happy crypto pump day to you. War Player, Felipe, nice to see everyone. OG Backroad in the chat, Alexandra G. All right, again, if you have chart requests, please drop them in the chat. I'm going to take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum looks like she wants to test $2,300. And guys, this is what we were looking at earlier. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Look how beautiful this is. This is the 4 hour, by the way. $2,292 Ethereum, 2.33% in the green today. We see on the 4 hour, we got that momentum that's doing great. Green dot printed. We see here that we do have the RSI that is looking good. And also the VWAP is pushing over that zero line with confidence. We see here that we have been taking off the last 4 hours, starting off this candle at 2,226. We are making it. This is basically a $70 move. Beautiful. I can't wait. Again, the next major resistance that I saw at least was 2340 Ethereum, and this dates back quite far, all the way back here to May of 2022. So 2292, I'm waiting for $2,300 Ethereum. That would honestly be super, super cool. Something that we could really like look at as a nice level to just pimp, have a great time. Wait for the FOMO. Because again, the all-time high for Ethereum, man, like, we're not that crazy off. I mean, what was it? 48? What was it exactly? 4,800. So we're almost 50% way back, and then that's going to spark some FOMO. I think already above $2,000 definitely sparks some FOMO here. Looking at Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin. Oh, sheesh, man. Dogecoin is a little volatile today, but I'm here for her because she's at 9 cents. And that is absolutely something we've been waiting for. Obviously, we are eyeing 9.5 cents. That is something I want to see very, very badly because that's something we rejected again here in April of 2023. This is the daily chart, by the way. We had a low today of 0.08752. Had a really nice bounce to 9 cents. We are struggling to maintain it, though. It looks like we're kind of rejecting this level that we closed at yesterday. Taking a look at market Cipher, though, we do see here that a green dot printed playing out. RSIs are mooning. We see here that the VWAP is aiming down a little bit, but I'm not really scared. I feel like, you know, the VWAP, she's a little bit zesty and she could pop whenever she wants, really. I want to look at the 4-hour, though, for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at that. 4-hour. Yeah, so you guys could see in the past 4 hour, like on the 4-hour chart, we've been kind of tiffing with this 9 cents, trying to stay above it, especially right here. Retrace came back up, went through, kind of rejected, came back up. So we'll see if this candle, this 4-hour candle, can close above this previous one and make new highs for the day for Doge. That would be absolutely nuts. That would be really nuts. I want to see what's going on with other coins, so please let me know if you guys have other requests in the chat. I might need, like, you know, a mod message to help me out. Or if Emma sees any in the chat, she can let me know. She's right here. I see ICP. All right, ICP. What's up, Bungalow Bill? What's up? All right, so ICP. Let's see what's going on with ICP. All right. ICP. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. ICP takes care of me, ABC. All right. So ICP, what? Oh yeah, this is probably because it's the 4-hour that it's messing me up. So ICP, Internet Computer, very, very interesting project, by the way. I think you guys said not to use Coinbase last time and to go on Binance. Exactly, I was correct. Because I was like, where did my chart go? It's because you guys told me to switch the exchange. And I shall listen to my viewers because you guys are beautiful people. All right, so... Emma, thank you. Emma literally wrote my request down on a post-it. That's beautiful. Thank you. All right, so I see.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The moon and an ending.
Thank you for the Mr. Yee. Oh my gosh, Mr. Yee. Finally making some noise in there. Finally making some noise. Yes, we love the moon in an inning. Just like the heaven in an inning. Anyway, so we do have ICP. That's $5.09 right now. We see here that yesterday we did hit that $5.22. And we, of course, did not maintain that. Unfortunately, again, we have a history with this level. You drop below that May of 2023 this year. And it was a little bit scary. Almost like you flushed. Big flush almost, man. What was that drop? Dang. That was a 30% drop about. Wow, that's dramatic. That is dramatic. Seems like we kind of double bottomed here. Like a little boop and another boop. I was going to say something else. That's bad. Okay, so we got a double bottom. We got a double bottom here. Making a nice way up here. But yeah, we kind of sped right through $4.81. Tapped our 520, so hopefully we could stay above $5 today. We saw today we actually saw $4.90, but maintaining $5 is definitely a psychological level of sorts. So that's pretty much what I got for ICP. Even on the 4-hour, we see here that we did kind of, again, we just lightly tapped yesterday this $5.22. So we'll see what happens. We're at $5.10, but it's important to stay above that right now. All right, so ICP is all covered. Let's do Cardanzo. Let's do the Cardanzos. I feel like it's a dance, the Cardanzo. We love that. Okay, so I'm just making fun of Jim Cramer. For anyone that doesn't know, I think I'm going to have to find that clip. So we got 41-cent Cardano right now. Taking ganders here, we're up 1.5%. Just over that, we see a green dot on market Cipher playing out just nicely. We see here that the RSI going up, money flow, except that VWAP has a curvature that we do not favor. We would like to bring that up a little bit. Man, we see here we got 37-cent Cardano, bounced right up to 40 cents. We closed there, which was very nice to close at that level. Now it's about closing above it and maintaining it. So today we are looking to crush this. And it's nice that we actually hit that level we were looking at. We were talking about it. But yeah, Cardano, definitely 40 cents, staying above 40 cents and closing the day above that. And of course, the next level we're looking for is at 45 cents that we just had a bad relationship with back over here in April. It was just like, it's like you just asked a girl out on a date and she was like, no, it was just like not nice. It was a total rejection. We got IMX, so let's look at Immutable. Immutable is actually like killing the game and such. So let's take a look at IMX. Yeah, this was the exchange we used. We love saving charts here. We love saving charts. So we do have some movement here with IMX that I am very happy to see. So let's talk about it. So currently IMX is at, I'm not even sharing the screen. IMX is at $1.51. We see here that we have a little bit of resistance that we date back here to March 17th of this year, $1.53. Wow, I made a mess of this the last time we talked about it.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
MTC Zestier, Christmas tree, tumbler glass, pointy finger, fire.
Yeah.
Thanks, BidMoon. Much love to you, BidMoon. You're awesome, BidMoon. Shouts. Cheers to you. So yeah, basically we were looking at a few levels here that I was just gibbering about, but most of all, it was that we double bottomed here. Over here at 51 cents, we made our way downtown, walking fast, facing past. We were homebound. Looking here at 87 cents, we took off, which was very nice. We were looking to maintain our $1.34, and we did pretty nicely. A few days ago, we made it through. We closed at $1.43, pretty much sideways trading. But the next part I'm looking for is $1.53 because I feel like that's just the part of our way that does, again, date back to March 18th. Oh. We want to get above that, and then probably beyond that, we're looking at levels to the likes of like $1.80, $1.84, which is like right here. That's what we're looking for next. But one level at a time, my friends, one level at a time. Let's break through this and see where we go and maintain above $1.35, and hopefully we don't test that again because we were quite close to it today, it seems. We were at, what was this, $1.39 about? Interesting. Bitcoin is still at 43.3. We had a high of $44,000 before, which was absolutely stunning. We love $44,000 Bitcoin. Everyone said Bitcoin wasn't going to make it, and we knew we were going to make it. Now, I know you guys are talking about ORDI. This is, I believe, a BRC20 token that made it to some major exchanges. So if you guys have a better exchange other than Binance, you could let me know. Let me see. So this is Binance. Let me see if we have another source here. I feel like it would be OKX. Yeah, OKX, because they like the ordinal stuff. So we got $62.36 ORDI. Jeez, who got into, everyone in the chat, who got into ORDI, man? This is nuts. Wow. I cannot believe what's going on here. Listen, the only thing, again, because this coin is freaking new. So the only thing I could really tell you is, like, you know, the points we've been at already, what to really possibly expect after that. Because honestly, this is another case of price discovery. Wow. $62.59, a high of $64 and what? 71 cents about. Holy. Up 19.8%. So we see here that the RSI mooning, highest it's ever been. Momentum, on the other hand, is not the highest it's ever been. But green dot played out great, went over that zero line, money flow coming in. VWAP is sharply going down, though, which isn't the best sign in the world. However, we do see here that we went to 1950, pounced to $25.80, came back down, tested it as support does test, and absolutely moved. So I'm just letting you guys know that this is ridiculous. Peter in the chat said he got it at $50. So shout out to him for absolutely crazily getting in this coin and chasing those green candles. I mean, $50. You got it at $50. That wasn't even too long ago. Hold on. This is literally, let's look at the 4 hour. How? $50. When did you get in? 50. So it's either you got in $50 over here yesterday, or you just got in today in the last, what, almost less than 8 hours, and you made some nice gains. If you were like, if you came in at $50, I mean, what's your gain right now? I'm not doing that math. not good at on the spot math. You're up a nice 24%. So cheers to you, my friends. Cheers to you. Like, you have that money flow coming through, green dots. I mean, of course you're going to have that when something like this is new. The market cap, we got to look at the market cap. Is there any way I could see that? Let's look at coin market cap. Coin market cap. Let's look at ORDI. I want more details, bro. I want more details. This one's number 52 on coin market cap. So, wow. Okay. So, the market cap, is this 1.3 billion? Wow, $1.3 billion. They passed $1 billion in market cap. I think this is the first BRC20 to pass $1 billion in market cap. Congratulations, ORDI. Guys, history is being made. History is being made. That is incredible. And this is why we're so happy to be here. That's why this is an amazing time to be in crypto. This is historical. Yes, Emma in the chat. This is historical. Wow. Sup. You guys are awesome in the chat, by the way. Shout out to you. Emma, get on the street. Oh, Emma's busy, man. Emma's running around. She's doing some stuff. Mostly eating, but she's doing some stuff. I'm just kidding. So let me look at my other suggestions here. So track. Let's get on the track. Literally. All right. So Kev Machine. He blushed. He's so cute. All right, guys, make sure you smash the likes. We have 52 likes, 80 people watching. Let's smash these likes and share the stream out, friends. Let's get 100 likes. All right, so TRAC. Okay, got it. TRAC. We're going to look at that. Okay. Origin Trail. It is listed on Coinbase, so I'm going to use Coinbase. If you guys have an issue with that, please let me know. This is... Origin Trail. Okay, got it. I believe this is the right one. I'm looking at the right thing. So, okay. Pretty interesting. I'm not going to lie. Very interesting. We see here that it, like, once it got above, this is another case of the 200-day SMAs, man, because this went above the 200-day SMA and absolutely ripped once it did. And, like, we love looking at the 200-day SMA on this channel because I think it's very significant. Plays a big role in such. 1 second, guys. I'm just getting this configured. Okay. So basically, we're looking at a coin that actually has some history, which is nice compared to like some of them that we look at that are just so new. But we do like new coins. We like new coins. We like new innovation. So you really can't say much about it. We see here that we're at some critical points. This is the 4-hour chart. So I would rather look at the daily before hopping into the 4-hour. Okay, that's better. That is way better. Okay, so we see here that we have 54 cents, 4% in the green, up 245% year to date. So this is a coin that's been on a nice run. Money flow in the green pretty much since October. Really nice. We have some green money flow, although we have the inverse indicators, which are the VWAP coming down and the red dot being printed on the momentum. Once that was printed, we did see a little drawdown here, but it looks like we're making our way back here. We want to make sure we could get to 57 cents because, again, we rejected this level all the way back here. Let's draw this line a little farther. Right here, and it was a tumble for sure, and it was found as support at some point over here in January 2022, and we saw that it pretty much did pretty well after that, but not obviously its all-time high that it came down from. We're looking, hopefully we can maintain this. We want to make it back up to $57, maybe close there. But that's really what I'm looking at. Other than that, probably looking back down to 37 cents. 37 cents. Probably what I'm looking back down to because this is something that we struggled with here as well over in April. Pretty much all the way from February through April, we messed with this level. And above the 200-day SMA, like I said, once we went above that in November, it was like a really nice move, a nice swing for it. Doge Bull is saying something in the chat. Origin Trail's altcoin track is focused on decentralized AI. How can like AI be truly decentralized though? If there's going to be, isn't there at some point someone that's going to influence it? I mean, I don't know what kind of AI they're working on. Like if this is like something with personality, like a chat GPT type thing. Maybe you can elaborate on that. Is Litecoin the low-key best scaling solution for Bitcoin? In my opinion, probably yes. Otherwise, I think, you know, Litecoin is faster, it's cheaper, 4 times the supply, the 4-to-1 ratio. It has Lightning Network on it already. So we don't even need Lightning Network on Litecoin, but if you do need it in the future, it's already there. Where we already know main chain Bitcoin cannot handle being a part of like major billions and millions of dollars of transactions multiple times a day. I think might be really difficult for the network when we really hit mainstream adoption. So, and even the Lightning Network might struggle. So I think, again, like that's where Litecoin comes in and other cryptocurrencies. And that's where a lot of these maxis die on their hill. Because even though, you know, they could be on the biggest platforms, but they won't mention that Bitcoin, again, she has her faults. She's beautiful. She's near perfect. But there were some mistakes, I think, and that's where probably Litecoin comes in to fix those. But yeah, we do love Bitcoin, though. We do love it. Guys, we have 88 people watching, 64 likes. Pamp it. We got Caspa. I saw that in the chat. Let's take a look at it. It's 14 cents still. We're looking, again, to conquer that 15 cents, but we did tap where these wicks were messing with the other day. And even if you bring this lower and you're not looking at wick highs, right? Right here, we're still at the same point that we were messing with yesterday. So we want to get above this, ideally, hit 15 cents. That would be like crazy. But still, we're in price discovery mode right now. Even with Bitcoin pumping, I'm surprised that this isn't going farther. Granted that how much farther can it go when it's up 2,500%? So, you know, I gotta give it that. I have some other LITT. Okay, so let's take a look at LITT. LITT. I see here that it's only on MEXC. So whoever requested this, my friend, I know I'm just getting to it now, and it is a really new coin. However, if there's a different exchange or you think I should look on DEX tools, because sometimes I do like to look at DEX tools, then you let me know in the chat. And shout out to Greg for just subscribing to the channel. We see you out here. We're giving you love. Thank you. All right. So let's see what's going on here. All right. So we have a 5-cent Lit Lab, LITT, 22% in the green today. Listen, price discovery. Pretty much, if this is legit, you know, and this is when it started here in May of 2023, it's just starting to pick up that momentum. Red dot is actually printed here on the daily. So listen, this is price discovery. This is a new coin. You really can't say much. The 200-day SMA just formed, and we are above it, so that's good. But other than that, I really can't tell you much then. Maybe it's possible to come down, and maybe this is the level you can look for, 0.033915 possibly. Other than that, I don't really know what to say because this is just too new and it's not enough zest for me to like look at. Glenn Gerard in the chat said, first time commenting, long time watcher. Irish guy living in Saudi Arabia. Love the content. Keep up the good work. Aw. Thank you, Glenn. Shout out to Glenn. Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating in this lovely show. We appreciate you. When Broadway performance, you could play Snow White. Really, Snow White? Like, all my 7 dwarves. Guys, oh my gosh. I just noticed. I got lost in the sauce. $2,300 Ethereum. Wow, did we just hit this like just now? Oh my gosh, guys, see what's happening? Guys, we were literally looking at 2340. Is this going to become a reality? Oh my, I got to look at the minute chart. I got to see when this happened. Oh, Josh V. My love, Josh V.
Bitcoin pumping like MTC in the gym.
Yeah.
I've been gone for a month. Do we still rave in here?
You know we pump it up, man. You know we pump it up, Josh V. Shout out to Josh V. What a legend. Yeah, we do jam around here. We have to. The deal is it's 125 likes in exchange for a rave. So I do hope that does become a possibility because we do have 90 people watching. We do have 74 likes. We do have Broke Oshi in the chat. We have Josh V in the chat. We got Glenn from Saudi Arabia in the chat. So I don't know what we can't do at this point, right, Alexandra G? I don't know what we can't do. Right, Zan Kang? All right. Yeah, so basically, oopsie doopsie, we do have Ethereum that just hit that 2,300 a few minutes ago. I am so happy. This is great, guys, because honestly, 2,300 is a great level, and it seems like we keep trying to test it. We keep falling below it. If you guys see the bottom right of my screen here, you see that we're kind of tiffing with 2,300, but ideally 2,340. That's the level. That's a major level. Now I'll show you what I'm talking about. But before that, I want to look at Market Cipher here. So we got red dot that's printed. So we might retrace off this 2,300, but it seems like she wants to keep going. The VWAP, if she goes over that zero line, that could mean some really nice price action. And the RSI is killing it. So really, we could keep pushing. It's possible we could keep pushing here. We're at 2,303. If we could get above this candle from before, oh my gosh, we're above it, 2,305, 2,306. I am so happy. Green dot printed just now on Market Cipher, guys. Oh, okay. Guys, I am so excited. Also, look at Litecoin, $73.79. We're looking for that 74.50, guys. That is the criticals. That is the criticals. This is the minute chart.
You're welcome.
Let's get it.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Snow White and her 7 fiancés.
That's actually so fitting for the channel. That's beautiful. But I don't know if I could do only 7. There's so many lovely ones out there. But yeah, guys, it seems like we're dumping a little bit on the minute chart. We have a red dot that printed, which makes sense. The VWAP is down. But listen, man, I'm ready for that $74 Litecoin. Maintaining $2,300 Ethereum would be great. And Bitcoin is still trying to move. She's at 43.6. We know the all-time high for today was 44K, and that is the yearly high. That is the yearly high. We're up 162% year to date. We do have some requests, so I'm going to continue requesting. So we have KDA. Do I have that on my sidebar here? No. Okay, so let's get some KDA out here. And I will cover this. This is so lit. I am actually losing my mind. I'm so excited. I literally love this so much. I cannot explain to you guys how exciting this is to be a part of like all the pumps and stuff. Just like live streaming it. It's all history, man. It's literally all history. So KDA, I have a feeling that I lost my stuff, man. I lost my stuff. So oh, I don't. Oh my God, that's so awesome. I still have the chart. Okay, so we're still looking at pretty much the same levels as before, where we want to take a look at 81 cents. We're at 72 now, up 9.26%. Looking here, this is the daily chart, by the way. Green dot printed on the momentum flew. RSI flying. VWAP flying. So it makes sense that we're up 9.5%, 9.25%, because look at how beautiful she looks. A stunner out here. Above the 200-day SMA, doing good. Again, 81 cents hopefully could be in the cards. This is something that we had trouble with, and once we went below it right here in May of 2023, it was not great. So hopefully we can make it up there. That's what I'm looking at mostly, not going below this 200-day SMA, or else probably the only level I'm looking at below that, if we break below the 200-day SMA, harshly reject it, is that 44 cents. But optimistically, let's stick with 81. Although, again, never get optimistic, never get your emotions involved, blah, blah, blah. You guys know. But pretty much same levels in play there. Let's take a look at ORDI I did. XNA. Yeah, let's do some XNA. XNA. Oh, the Neura AI one. I remember this one. Yeah, friend, this one is too new. This one is too new. I remember talking to you about this one. Yep. What's up, Darren Orange? Said, woohoo. I got some sound for you, Darren. Woo! Woo! Guys, we have 97 people watching. Share the stream out. Let's break 100. Let's get those 100 likes. We got 85 right now. We got it. So listen, the only thing I can tell you, again, this is too new. Obviously, this 0.0042 is now support. So that's great that this is identified, and hopefully it does not break below that. We are testing that 0.00518. So that's the only thing I'm watching for, is getting above that, maybe stopping by 0.00586. And price discovery, man, pretty much is where we're at. Maybe some consolidations and stuff. Yeah, That's pretty much what we got. There's a red dot that's printed though, so I'd watch out for that and that VWAP struggling. But still, it's a small coin, very new, so it seems like it's doing pretty okay. At least it's maintaining the run it went on, considering from pretty much the bottom to here, or where we're at currently. You're up 529%, which is crazy. And also, we're up 443%. Year to date. So that's just nuts. Like, this is just a wild, wild coin right here. Wild. Some wild thoughts. What's another one? Crow, right? Was on there? Yeah, okay. Crow. Dope. Got it. Okay, thank you. I got my post-it over here. All right, Crow. Let's see. All right, Crow is right here. Got you guys. Pretty much, again, same levels we were looking at the other day are in play. We're at 0.0967 cents, 2% in the green. We got that green dot on market Cipher that did play out, and you see that since that green dot printed, where have we been? Nice 4%. That's not bad. That's not bad. Again, we're up 2% today, which is nice. We have green money flow, RSI that's coming out of that neutral zone, looking bullish. And also we got that VWAP. Hopefully it all maintains its bullishness. But again, 0.0960 was the major resistance. We are above it now. Yesterday we did spike above it, but closed below. So we're hoping that today we could close this level and maybe head back up to 10 cents. Major psychological level is 10 cents. We know people like their psychological levels. So that's what I'm looking out for, staying above this and hopefully handing some 10-cent crow to the markets. It would be nice. All right. So let's see. I have another one on here. Oh, Gala. Yes, Gala. Okay, let's get into Gala. Gala's pretty interesting, man. I'm not going to lie to you. Look at little Gala. Yes, I know there's some Crow fam in here. War player, Crow fam. It's Quay B. I like the background. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Devious, Degen Crazy Frog on ETH. Yeah, we'll talk about Pepe. Oh, we have 109 people watching. Hello, 109 beautiful, gorgeous people. Smash these likes. Give love to the stream. Aww. So we got Gala, 3 cents. 3.88% in the green. We're looking for that 0.03270. That is beautiful. We rejected that. It pretty much went down big in May.
You're welcome.
$50,000 BTC and I'll show up in NY, take you to a wrestling event, lose your high maintenance sister, and come home with a restraining order.
That is scary. That is scary. I hope that does. I hope that all the negative things in that comment do not occur. But we do like 50K BTC, Mr. Yee. Shout out to Billy in the chat. Hashtag givers gain and such. So yeah, we're looking to hit that 0.0327 in Gala. Maintain above 0.02744, which again is something we tested, rejected, came back from. Yesterday we closed above it, which is great. So let's hopefully maintain that today. But yeah, that's mostly what I'm looking out for. Also, green dot printed. Very nice. RSI looking good. VWAP looking good. So all things looking good for Gala. So again, this is when FOMO kicks in. Oh my gosh, everything's pumping. Do I get in? Take your freaking time. I'm urging you. Take your time. Do not rush into absolutely anything. Make sure you are confident in your convictions. You do your research on every single project you are looking at. And you are having a bullish as well as a bearish case scenario. It is the scariest thing when I see people just jumping into all these random projects without doing their research just because they see green candles. That doesn't mean sheesh. What means is your heart. What means something is your heart, your conviction, and what you feel you should do and what's best for your portfolio of most. Of course, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Did I do Bonk? I don't remember. Did I do Bonk? I know someone asked for it. Let me see if I could make my way over to Bonk. Do I have it saved here? No. Okay. So Bonk. Let's see what's going on with Bonk. I'm going to look at... Should I look at Gate? What's the best exchange to look at Bonk? I remember I was looking at Bonk somewhere. But I don't remember if it was Poloniex, MEXC. Ah, yeah, it was MEXC. All right. So we're again in price discovery mode for Bonk. Wow. Is this its all-time high? I guess. So listen, we see here, the only thing that's really new is probably this level right here that was resistance, popped through, so maybe no longer. If anything, maybe that's a point I could see retracing to in the future, but we're in price discovery mode for Bonk, to be honest. So I really can't tell you much, and it's an extremely new coin as well. We know that in the beginning when it first launched, it was at a bunch of zeros, you know the vibe, 34106. We returned to that level, rejected it the first few times on the daily, and then went through it, and it was just so awesome. And it was support. So looks really good. And yeah, I just don't know what to say other than it's up 10%, and all the factors in it look pretty decent, except for the VWAP, though, that's aiming downward. Maybe that could be signal for something later, but other than that, I don't really see much craziness to do with that. Do you guys have any other ones, any other requests that you guys want to look at? I know Solana is mentioned in the chat right now, so I could take a look at Solanzo. We see here Solana $61.94, 0.57% in the green. We see the VWAP is down. The green money flow is here, but the red dot is printed, as well as the RSI aiming down. So that doesn't give me like the best of signals. However, we're still in the green, and we did test and fall below this level. So we were at $59.25. So hopefully we could get above that and stay above it and have a great time. Currently we are above it actually, but you know what I'm saying. Hopefully we stay above it. We have a good time and maybe see $78 in the future. But that's just being ambitious. You know what I mean? Ambition. We love ambition. I like ambition. KLS. I could do KLS. Let's take a look at that. Are you sure it's KLS? ORDI I did, unless ORDI is something different. But I looked up KLS in TradingView, and I don't see anything that comes up for it. Is ORD the same thing? Yeah, ORDI is all I see. ORDI I went over before, so that's done already. KLS. Josh V. Illuvium. Okay. Illuvium. I think I went over that earlier, but that was the other stream, not this stream. Okay, hold on. I'll go to Illuviums. Okay. So Illuvium, we watch Illuvium. Let's see. So Illuvium, very interesting. We got $110 Illuvium. Really sick, the price action and how much this thing is worth. Like, dang, Josh V, you know what I mean? 0.83% in the red. Beautiful money flow. Red dot printed, though, which makes sense. RSI stagnant and VWAP down. So all of those signals make sense as to why we might have a drawdown or did have a drawdown today, low of 105. So beautiful price action, though. Above the 200-day SMA, she soared, went right through the $73 resistance that dated back here to March. Really nice swing up. Rejected, though, the 120. But looks like maybe she could reclaim that as she builds up that momentum. But the red dot plays out and goes a little bonanza in the wrong way. I don't know, man. I don't know. Probably based on history, I would be looking here. 92. If she does retrace, let's do a little line there. 92. Boop, boop, boop. Right here. This is what I'd be looking at. 92. Let's see what kind of price action 92 had here. Yeah, almost the same thing, where it was a little bit of a struggle at this level as well. But yeah, $92, that's what I'm looking at if we do retrace. And then worst case scenario, 73. But that's like a long way down, man. If we went down to 70, whoa, that
scared me. Love you, Randy. What you do is amazing. Blessed to know you. Hashtag givers gain. Hashtag great dads. Raised fist.
Aww.
Billy, you're an icon, bro. I was so into the charts, the shoes. I was like, whoa. That's absolutely hilarious. Thank you so much, Billy. So much love to you, man. I appreciate you to the fullest. Hashtag givers gain. Hold on one second. Before I get back, before I go into the next chart, we just did Illuvium. Before I get into the next chart, I gotta shout out my beautiful Billy, because he's just a really like cool dude. So hold on. This is Billy. Shout out to Billy. He does his spaces. He will be live. Is there a link here, Billy? Yeah, okay. So instead of your Twitter link, here's this, so they could follow and set a reminder at the same time. Guys, set a reminder for Billy's space. Oh, Alexandra G, what a queen. She already put it in there. I put it too. I didn't see it, Alexandra G. Sorry, I didn't mean to step on your moderator toe right there. But the link is in there. Both me and Alexandra G put the link in there. Of course, you can always trust my mods. But yeah, click that link. Set your reminder for tonight's space. It's 9 p.m. Eastern. Also, follow him as well. Click the reminder. Click that profile and you hit that follow button. Beautiful. Thank you, Billy. Shout out to you. Much love. All right. Cool. All right. So I think I did all of my post-it ones. Now I have some digital requests here. Quant. All right. Let's do some quant. I get what I quant, what I really, really quant. So tell me what you quant, what you really, really quant. I have way too much fun doing this. I'm such a nerd. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize for my nerdism. Okay, so levels to watch out for quant. So I think quant, listen, quant could be zesty. Quant could be what she wants to be. And I think one level that's very significant, but not something we have to worry about now per se, is like $118. And again, it's nothing we have to worry about now, but it's something I want to look at in the future. However, $102.20. Like I was talking about, I was looking at this history. I was like, okay, looking back, I was looking at this chart even farther back if you want to draw this line, even though nothing crazy happened here. We had some trouble with this level, 118, 119, fell below it here in April of 2022, damage, fell below it here, damage. Here, damage. It just seems like this is a very significant level. And then, of course, the big drawdown was once we rejected it here in June, it was like not great. But now we're bouncing back, which is great. And I know I was like, freaking out over the 200-day SMA. The last time we were talking about this, being like, we have to stay above it. That's still the same case because we tested it yesterday and today, remaining in the green. So it's good that it's not a complete rejection. Because when you see that we had a rejection there, it did take a toll on the price and went down from the 200-day SMA down 5% around. But we do see here some hope. Market Cipher is telling us that we got a green dot printed. Momentum looks good. VWAP a little stagnant, but could make a move. Also, RSIs are far apart. So that could mean some volatility up ahead as well. And, we're looking at some nice stuff. So it's not too crazy, not too nuts, but green dot being printed, which is a sign of hope. We will see how it turns out. But staying above the 200-day SMA is critical, and if we reject it, I get a little bit worried. All right, what's next? ACH. Yeah, we could do that one. ACH. I think Alchemy Pay. Yeah, I have that here. Yes, we love it. We love saved charts. Jeez, man. So taking a gander before I show you guys what I'm looking at next. Beautiful. Okay, so we're looking at a nice level right here that we actually tapped the other day. So let's just jump in. If you want to be my ACH, you got to get with my friend. So we got 2 cents, 0.022398, down 1.72%. Although we do have some nice signals here. So it's not like always making, besides the VWAP, that makes sense as to why we're having a drawdown. We do have that nice green money flow. We have a green dot printing on Market Cipher and some nice RSIs that are beaming right now. So I would pay attention to 21 cents, try to make our way to 23, not 23, 2 cents, 0.021, and then 0.023, sorry. But that's really what we're looking at too. I get excited, sorry, I'm moving fast. But yeah, we tested this level the other day, we came back down, and we want to make our way back up. So definitely 0.023, that's what we're looking at. Again, we tested, rejected in the past, and then once we actually closed below it, it was a little bit of an issue, where we try to make our way back up, but never closed above it. Besides, over here in June, came back down, double bottomed, came back up, but pretty much the same spot that we were. Hopefully we can stay above 0.021. That's mostly what we're messing with. But it's not that bad. Like, we're doing pretty good. Up 187% year to date. Like, who can complain? Who can complain? It's like when people say, like, we're still in the Bitcoin bear market, or like, oh my gosh, Bitcoin sucks. Like, what do you mean? Like, one of the best performing assets out there, and it's up over 100% for the new year. Like, what else do you want? People are needy. People are needy. One potato song for you, Mike Vollmer.
A potato flew around my room before you came. And
Bungalow Bill, I'd be a multi-millionaire if ACH hit 23 cents. Listen, man, like, you know, things happen in crypto. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, you know what I mean? But it's just craziness. We know that Bitcoin is trying to make her way back up to 44K. Sack Nasty, what are you saying in here, Sack Nasty? Can't wait for your X Space tonight. Oh, yeah, yes, please make your way over to Billy's Space tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern. Looking over here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing really good. 43,750. Forgot I wasn't sharing the screen here. Look how nice she looks. My gosh, I am so excited. I am so excited for Bitcoin. Look at it go. Listen, we want to hit that 44,000 again. That is what we were looking at. And of course, you know, on the minute chart, looking here, because I like the minute chart. I like to look at her. 41,950 to be exact. When we went above 41,950, it was a nice run, really nice run. And then, of course, getting above yesterday's high, we start running, which is great. We absolutely love that. We love that for Bitcoin. So hopefully we could, of course, try to go back. It seems like the highest close that we had here was 43,738. Actually, wrong. This candle we just had, 43,752. So if maybe we could close this candle above this one. Ooh, is there a possibility we could test again 44K? Guys, if we start running to 44K again, I'll probably like lose my noodle on stream. Like actually lose it. It would be awesome though. It really would be awesome. If you guys have any thoughts in the chat, do you guys think we're going to go back to 44K today? Put one or a yes emoji or two and a no emoji. Proof of work. We love proof of work, Doge Bull. We love proof of work. Mike Vollmer. It's stuck at $100 like a magnet. Which one? What are we talking about in the chat? Julio said Zesty Spice. Yes, we love Zesty Spice out here. We love Zesty Spice. Look, guys. Ooh. Look, 43.8. Oh, gosh. I think we're going on a run. I think we might be running. Oh, gosh. Look, we hit 43.814 and came back down. We need to stay above 43.8. If we could, that is gorgeous. We see here, look at that. That's a hammer. That's a hammer. See, look at that. It's hard watching the minute chart because you just get so consumed in this. There is a green dot that's printed. RSI is doing pretty well. Money flow's coming through, except the VWAP isn't that popping, and that's what I want to see is the pop. But we did close this candle really nicely. I don't know. Guys, we might test 44K again. It's like, how can you leave? How can you leave this beautiful stream when you have 44K that might be in the cards yet again? This is wild to watch. Look. Ooh, 43.8. 43.8. Woo! Guys, you realize that this is historical. 43,827. Guys, we're moving. We are moving. Could we test $44,000? Will it happen right here on stream? We're moving, guys. We're moving. 44.38. Oh. 43.8. Are we going to hit $43,900, guys? This is so bad watching this chart. Look, we're moving. That was beautiful. We hit 43.9. We hit 43.9. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. We are watching Bitcoin pump live, guys. There's really nothing better than this. Wayne says 44K on deck. Let's go. Let's go. Alexandra G said, holy balls. You're hilarious. You're hilarious. Guys, this is amazing. 43,877. Come on. 43.9, 43.9. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You see what we're up to, guys? Hi, Emery in the chat. Emery, nice hug for you. 43.904, 43.913. Are we going to 44K again? Smash the likes. Share the stream out. This is big. This is big. Somebody knows something. David G, I don't know. This could be big stuff. Something's got to happen. Something's going to happen. Web3 me, nice to see you. Guys, we literally want to go for 44K again. Our high for the last minute candle was $43,927. This is incredible. Listen, the other high that we had today was right here. That was the wick to 44K. That was the wick to 44K. It was a nice quick one. It was quick, but it was beautiful, and she was gorgeous in her own way. See, we have a neutral type of look here right now. Hopefully, looks like, oh my gosh, this is so hard to watch. This is so hard to watch. Okay, wow, this is insane. Wendy, what is a good wallet to keep your digital coin in? I always recommend Cake Wallet. I love Cake Wallet to the fullest. And it is, of course, open source. So I favor open source wallets. Ballet, Cake Wallet, all of that. Eye of the Beholder said MTC is buying up all the Bitcoin and pumping it, being a member for 7 months. Aww. Thank you for being a member for 7 months, my friend. I appreciate all the members. And yes, we are pumping it. But I wish I was buying all the Bitcoin. I really wish I could. If I could pump us all to the moon, I would. We see here that we are moving. We're moving, guys. Moving. Oh my gosh. Guys, 44K. Could it be coming? 43,948, 950, 965. Oh my gosh. We are so close yet so far, guys. We are $50 away. I am going to cry. Oh my gosh, 43,980, 985. Oh my gosh. I want to see 44K on the screen and celebrate it with you beautiful people. We got to do it. We got to do it. Whales, where you at? We see the volume is coming in. That money flow is still green. The RSIs are coming close together, which is a good sign. 984. Wow. 994. Oh my gosh. Guys, we were literally just $4 away from 44K. $4 away from 44K. Guys, did you guys see 44K and I missed it? $999. $44,000. Let's go! Guys, we're moving. Whoa. We hit a high of $44,067. Now, here's the thing, guys. We have to stay above 44K. That is the key. Oh, gosh. 44.72. 44.84. 44.50. All right, guys. We're making moves. Guys. We had a high just now of $44,089. Are we going to keep going? Are we going to keep ripping? Wow. Guys, we're moving. Wow, we're almost at $44,100. How insane is this? We're watching Bitcoin break $44,000 live. Do you guys realize that this is historical and we're all witnessing it together? Sag Nasty goes, but isn't crypto a scam? Oh, that's what Gary wants you to believe. Fraudsters. Scam artists. Ponzi schemes. That's what we are to Gary. That's what this is. I would like to... Where's gold? Huh? What's gold? Oh, hit its all-time high and dumped. Oh, how sad. But look at Bitcoin. 44,000 gorgeous freaking dollars. That is so lit. This is everything right now. And the fact that we keep closing green candles on the minute, that's great. That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. Guys, we just witnessed 44K live. I'm happy. If we topped out for the day, at least we caught it on the stream. That is absolutely amazing, right? Crypto Nomad, like Randy A. Crypto L. Ray. What's up, Ray? Guys, smash these likes for 44K. Smash these likes, please. We have 122. Let's get 125 at least. Crypto Warlock, it's nice to see you. Eric wrote 44K. Guys, this is iconic. The fact that we just watched this live is ridiculous. Ridiculous. We did it. We freaking did it. But we are struggling to maintain it. You see this candle now? This is what we got to deal with. We just hit 44K, and now we're dumping like a... Actually, like a piece... Listen, this is the thing. This is where we get caught up. And we're like, oh my gosh, we fell below. Are we gonna dump forever? Are we gonna keep going up? Like this is the euphoria. This is the craziness that we endure. But again, maintaining 44K, the fact that we keep tapping it and coming down, I don't enjoy. I really don't enjoy. So hopefully we could maintain that. But look, we just dumped down like what, $200? That's so lame. That's so freaking lame. Take profit, sit and wait. I know, me team. It's like, what do you do? Like, oh my gosh, do I just trade my heart away? That is insane. That was so fun. I'm so happy we just got to witness this together. That 100x short at 44K. Oh my gosh, Billy. You know the amount of people that are doing these leveraged degen trades right now? It couldn't be me, bro. It could not be me. I'd actually be losing my mind. Like, you know, I like looking at my charts and then you put real money into it. And that's when things get real, Billy. And that's where you get lost in the sauce. Also, I feel like we're living in that meme where 22K BTC, no one cared, but 44K people line up for more. Exactly. That's the thing, man. People get nasty. And look at that candle. That's nasty. We're going to live in our euphoria for a moment. This is so awesome. I'm so happy we just got to witness that together. If you guys want a rave, then make sure you put that in the chat. I think we need a mini rave, like an intermission, like an intermittent little rave. Guys, we've been live for an hour already. That's insane. I'm literally like, I'm so caught up in this. I've been waiting the whole time for this. Sack nasty, that's super nasty. And like, yes, we love it. We love it, man. If you guys want to rave, put that in the chat. It does look like Bitcoin wants to come back up. She's at 43.8. I'm so excited about 44K. I'm like losing it. But she looks like she wants to come back up. Like, there's a push there, but it seems like the bears are going against us. Even the red dot, again, red dot printed. VWAP still below that zero line. We need that VWAP over that zero line. Push it. Like, that would be gorgeous. Rave for pumps. Adam Jones said, what's Bitcoin? Me too. If you actually don't know what Bitcoin is, I'm more than happy to like help you out. Like, if you really don't know what Bitcoin is, I'm here for you. Like 100%. I will sit here and explain it to you right now. All right, guys. We need a rave. I'm so excited. I just heard it. I heard the rave while we hit 44K. I was like, oh sheesh. This is amazing. I think Bitcoin is the absolute future. It's the present. And there's no reason to deny that. Wow, that was so lit. That was so awesome. Like, that was so needed because we didn't get to rave earlier. We got to rave now. So that's so great. And I really enjoy talking to you guys in the afternoons. Mr. Kryptonite, what's up? Hearts to you. Crypto Farmer. Hello, Crypto Farmer. What it be? It's 43.7 Bitcoin. I can't believe this. What is with this, man? Bitcoin 50K now. I feel you, man. I want 50K Bitcoin too. My heart is so warm. It's so fluttery. Hold on. I think everyone in this chat deserves a cookie. 100%. Here you guys go. Who wants a cookie? There you guys go. Take one. You got it. There you go. Everyone deserves a cookie for 50K Bitcoin. There you go. You got it? Okay. All right. Alexandra G, she got one. Emma wants one more. Emma, stop being greedy. You're eating everyone's cookies. There you go. There you go. Billy's got one. All right. You got one. All right. Wait, hold on. You in the back. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, be patient.
Hucksters.
Gary, why are you ruining our cookie party?
Scam artists. Ponzi schemes.
Gary, always the buzzkill. You know what? It's because he called my cookie a security. He's like, you guys enjoy them too much. There's too much joy, expectation of happiness. Security. Randy A, he got his cookie. Okay, you got it. You got it. MK said nom nom. Nom nom. All right. All right. Do I deliver to Long Island, Rich said. Do I deliver to Long Island? I mean, technically, Brooklyn is Long Island, and I do deliver cookies to some people. So, I mean, technically, yeah. But am I hand delivering to people on the internet? I might not. I'm a little scared. Glenn, send some to Saudi for Irish G. Can I call you Irish G? Can I call you that? Zon Kang said we need to get Gary on the show. Honestly, I think Gary would have a grand time on the show. He would have a great time, Gary. He doesn't even realize it. Gary's a crypto bro. And you know what? I wouldn't be surprised, I'm going to say it now, if Gary watches the show. If Gary watches all of crypto Twitter, because you know Gary's a little bit of a cuckoo. You know he loves his Algorand. You know he loves his crypto. Let's actually check in on Gary's favorite coin. Let's check in on Algorand, since Bitcoin's being a freaking buzzkill right now. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. Bitcoin's great. She's cute. But she's resting a little bit. She's resting. Let's take a look at Algorand. Algorand. It's the rand of the algo. It's Gary's favorite coin. It's going to be the next Uber. It's just about who's upgrading the software. Algorand. Yeah, that's my Gary Algorand song, if you guys didn't know. Maybe someone should create a remix. My gosh, if someone could create a remix for Gary Gensler's algo video, I might have to go get it. I might have to get the video. If someone can make a Gary Algorand video, oh my gosh, where's these Gary videos, man? These videos are so great. Gary, Litecoin Gary, no, that's not the same one. Oh my gosh, I need to find it. Someone can find that video for me. That would be great. I have it somewhere in my item here, but maybe not the one I thought. This is so sad. Number 24. Yeah, I don't have it. This sucks. Okay, let's look at Algorand, though. We'll look at the algo chart. Here we go. Algorand, very interesting here. We were like looking at Algorand like it was a little bit of a slip and slide type thing. So obviously Algorand is Gary Gensler's, obviously one of his favorite coins. He is a big fan of it. He endorses it heavily. Just kidding, you know. He's going to get mad at me. Gary's going to be like, Randy, why did you say that? You're such a huckster. Anyway, we see 15 cents here, 0.07% in the green. We see that we got that money flow coming through, green dot working out. Also, the RSI is looking pretty good. Highest RSI in a while, pretty much since January, even before that. Where we're kind of almost making new highs, September of 2021. So these are bull market levels. Wow. See, we're making it above our resistance of 15 cents. You know, that's something we wanted to get to. And next, I'm looking out for is right here. And that is 20 cents. 20 cent algo. That's where the slip and slide kind of began. And we literally double bottom here. Double bottom here over at, what is this, 9 cents. Took off above the 200-day SMA. So that's great. But yeah, we're looking to maintain 15 cent algo for the sake of Gary's bags. Wow, Flashmac, he said he sold his algo at $2. That's some champion stuff. That's some champion stuff. Like, where's that Gary video? Gary Gensler, Algorand. Oh, it would be great to find that video. Oh, yes.
He's a professor.
Oh, I think I found it. Yes, I found it. Oh my gosh, so lit. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm so excited. I love this video. I literally love this video. That's because I'm low-key a fan of Gary and his character as chairman of the SEC. And yes, I said character because that's really all they are characters. All right.
Uber or Lyft on top of governance is tough. You could create Uber or Lyft on top of a blockchain technology today. Well, maybe in 5 years you could. It would have the performance. Sylvia McCally's Algorand, who's a Turing Award winner at MIT that I work with. Sylvia's got a great technology that has the performance. You could create Uber on top of it. The question is then who would update the software? Governance is
Gary Gensler loves his Algorand. What a guy, Gary Gensler. He loves Algorand. Here's another clip.
Sylvia McCally's.
Okay, here.
McCally's Algorand. He's a professor over in the Computer Science and AI Lab and Turing Award winner. He's got a company that has an interesting thing. It's like a jury selection. It's like picking somebody for the jury that's picking this short group of 12 nodes that might do something. And every block has that selection process, but then there's another broader group that then can check the work of the jury. So often there's kind of a second automated way because trust isn't there, ensuring that there's a quick second check. Did they decide guilty or innocent correctly?
So yeah, not to bore you with Gary's words, but yeah, he endorsed Algorand and he loved it. He loved Algorand. It's just a matter of like, what is he gonna do? But yeah, that's Gary Gensler. He loves his Algorand. He loves his everything. But yeah, so listen, guys, this is like a really great run we're having with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back at 43.8, so I don't know if she's looking to retest the highs from earlier again, because again, we literally rejected 44K twice. One time higher than the second, but looking here, we're seeing something interesting going on. Green dot printed here on market Cipher. Money flow coming in, that VWAP over that zero line, but coming down a little bit. I don't know, guys. This looks really interesting. We're just at 43.8. Could we go back up to 44K again? I just don't know what the deal is with Bitcoin. I don't know what the deal is. Listen, the next huge resistance we're looking at is 44.7. It's 44,785. It's pretty much what we're looking at next. So that's all the love. That's all the zest that I could give you. And the $74 Litecoin, we're looking at 23.40 Ethereum and 9.5 cent Doge, which Doge is scarily close to 9.5 cents. Dogecoin's 10th anniversary is also tomorrow, so I would look out for Dogecoin tomorrow, the 10th anniversary. Celebrate it, love it, enjoy it. Dogecoin is absolutely the beast, and it's underrated for sure. And I think a lot of people are gonna realize that they might not be able to escape Doge. Just for the sake of all the things that Elon has plans with it. No BS Online said, we love love. We do love love. Much love to you, No BS Online. It's Gary's twin brother. Oh, hello. Gary's twin brother. We didn't even know he had we didn't even know he had a twin brother. We thought that was fake. We're like, oh my gosh, really? Adam Jones, what's up, man? Nice to see you. Who's moody? Who's moody in the chat? Who's going off? Sack Nasty. ELE. Everybody love everybody. Aww. That's very nice. I enjoy that. Mr. Burns Bear Wrecked. Yes. He does play, that is his little character, Mr. Burns in The Simpsons. But yeah, so basically, same stuff. Bitcoin struggling with 44K. We did hit 44K. We watched it on stream. It was the second time. 43.7 now. We're going to see what happens. We're currently 4% in the green. Listen, if things go really crazy, then I'll be back. Other than that, I think we're just chilling. I think we're just waiting for Bitcoin to moon, as always. We're waiting for some nice price action as well. listen, we want some nice price action. We want to see some things happening. But again, you can't get caught up in the green candles. You got to have your bullish, your bearish case scenario. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. All of that good stuff. And make sure you guys are smashing the like. You guys are sharing the stream out. You're sharing the video. Also taking your crypto off of the exchanges, because that's the most important thing I can ever tell you, is to take your crypto off of the exchange. Take self-custody. You look into my eyes. Hold on, am I close enough? Look into my eyeballs and say, I will self-custody. I will be my own bank, and I will not defy Satoshi, and I will take part in a decentralized financial ecosystem. I might be a little bit blind from the light, but you guys get my point, right? Right? Is that too close? Was that too personal?
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Love seeing crowns rise together. Bitcoin dollar Jesus coin. Praying gesture. Heart. Sparkles.
Thank you. Thank you. I guess I will take that request. You guys, you gave me a $10 super chat, so I'll look at it. Thank you. So Jesus, the Jesus coins. All right, hold on. Give me a second. Is there a good exchange to look at this? I don't know if I've looked at it yet. Oh, I did. Oh, okay. All right. So I actually do have a chart set up for this. That is so awesome. Good for us. Good for us. So yeah, this is pretty much the only thing I'm seeing to look at here, because yeah, this coin's too new. So yeah, all right. So we got a bunch of zeros, 28001 down 6.6%. So we're looking here. We have that money flow that's coming down, and also bearish RSI. Momentum printed a red dot. VWAP is coming up though. So you have a few conflicting things going on, except again, this is just basically price discovery. We know this was a resistance because we had wick highs to this level, 16519 back here in June, tested it and rejected it harshly here in November. And when we tested it again, November 29th, we went right through it, except that we came back down and tested, and now we're tipping with 29940. Yes, that's what we're tipping with now, and hopefully we can get back above it, but otherwise probably looking back down over here.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Your eyes are mesmerizing.
Thank you. My eyes are a little bit cuckoo. They look different in a different light is what I'm noticing. But yeah, religion crypto is a scam. It is not the, I mean, listen, it's not politically correct. No, I can't say it is. I cannot say it's politically correct, unfortunately, flat smack. But it is what it is. 619 like dirty Dom. I am dead. All set, nailed it with the blinks. I'm just messing around. His name is Robert Gensler. Look it up. Yeah, we know Rob Gensler. Rob Gensler, he was sitting on a beach enjoying his day on his birthday while Gary Gensler was in a hearing, and he loves his job, Gary. But it's only because he gets to play his part. He makes a lot of money. Dave P. wrote Beam. Did I do Beam already? I feel like I did Beam. Did I not? I feel like this is something I did. Hold on. Beam. I think I did it. Maybe I didn't. Is it Beam or Beam X? Are these two different tokens? Hold on. Which one is the right one? Is it Beam X or just like Beam? MEXC. If you could tell me that one before I look at it, because I want to look at the wrong coin. Dave P. Dave P. Which one should I see? Dave P. Where you at? Which one? Is it Beam X or just regular Beam? Are they? I guess they're not the same. All right, so I'll just look at MEXC. That's what I'll take. Oh, sheesh, dude, this is craziness. You're making me look at craziness. Listen, the only thing. Hold on, let me analyze here. The only thing I could really see, and listen, this is too new. You guys put me on the spot with these new coins. Listen. Only thing I could really call out is where I just see rejections and stuff and like just support and love. So speaking of support and love in the chart, there's only like one level of like crazy support that I could really point out. And that's probably right here. 0.007631. Came back down after having wick highs here. Come back down, tested again, rejected, came back up. And then when we came back up, it was nice. But we're in price discovery mode. It literally just launched like what is this? Not a month ago, literally a month ago, this thing launched. So there's nothing I can really tell you other than maintaining bunch of zeros, 009709. That's all I can really tell you, honestly. But yeah. Support and love MTC. Yes, I do like love. Beam is Merit Circle. Gaming DAO. That's nice. It appears to be going up. Oh, yes, it is going up. It's up 191%. Yeah, so that's just nuts. Lance. Hello, Lance. Welcome to the stream, Lance. Hope you're doing well, Lance. Yeah, but that's pretty much what I got there. It's really new, Dave P, so I hope that was okay. B-Team said, thank you for the good vibes. I appreciate you. What's up, Antonio? Nice to see you. MTC, get back. You're scaring me. It's okay. I'm sorry. I apologize for scaring you. I got up close and personal. What was I gonna do? Sometimes I get passionate about things. Sometimes I just really need to feel like I'm having a heart-to-heart with you, you know? You know, I don't know. Aww. It's okay, guys. Listen, we had a great stream today. 2 great streams. 2 great streams. And how could I be more thankful? That's it. It's beautiful. Wonderful, zesty of all. And listen, guys, I do know that at this moment, I have things to shout out, and such I shall. So I want you guys to give some follows to some certain people, one of which is, of course, my beautiful Crypto Billy. Check him out. He's hosting a space tonight at 9 p.m. I'm going to try my best to be there. Also, I'm going to be on Sin City Crypto tomorrow at 2:30, I believe, is when I'm scheduled to go on. And they start their show at 2 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, okay. And they also hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you don't follow them yet and don't subscribe yet, follow, subscribe, give love to Sin City. They're currently live. So I'm going to hop off, and hopefully you guys could hop on there, give them some love, tell them the Zesty sent you. Write Zesty in the chat if you're from me in the chat, and so they know where y'all are coming from. But I do got to run. I have some things to do. I'm happy I was able to go live today. I'm happy that I was able to go live today and not like miss out on all this price action. Sorry I didn't catch it earlier. I was like, oh my gosh, Bitcoin is pumping. Like, I gotta go live. And then I had technical difficulties, had to shut down my computer, come back on. It was craziness. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate everything. Those awards. Yeah. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Smash the like. Subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. I will be back tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. Eastern for the Daily Zest. Don't miss it. Stay there, be square, and as always, stay zesty. Peace.